Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you how Heygen's latest update V4 is changing the UGC AI game forever, guys. Okay, the update is massive and you can do absolutely crazy stuff with it, guys. You're going to see it. I'm going to show you some really cool stuff, guys. You're going to be absolutely shocked, guys. So stick around to see the latest update for Heygen V4, guys. And if you think you should be using it for your AI UGC creation, guys, or if you have any questions about Heygen, guys, let me know down in the comments, guys. I would love to help you out and answer any questions that you have about Heygen, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it right away. Okay, guys, so for those who don't know what Heygen is, okay, if you guys are a complete beginner to the whole AI UGC game, guys, so Heygen essentially is a AI UGC generator. Okay, so we have, for example, Heygen, we have Arcades, we have Make UGC, and we have Creatify. Okay, so all of them essentially do similar thing, but slightly different depending on the niche that you're targeting, your business type, and etc. guys. Okay, so Heygen is pretty cool in terms of that it's very flexible and you can do a lot of cool stuff, including cloning yourself. Okay, if you're doing a lot of help videos or if you need to do tutorials and you don't want to spend that crazy time doing all of that work, especially if you're running a SaaS business, okay, and you are pushing out a bunch of updates to your app or web platform, guys. So Heygen really is good at that. So it's easy to clone yourself or just use one of the avatars and just create a bunch of help guides that you need, guys. Okay, so essentially, in a summary, that's what it is. It's a AI UGC generative tool. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the latest updates from Heygen for the V4 update, guys. Okay, so you can use Heygen in different ways. Okay, so you can just create a video from right here on the left corner side. Okay, and we can choose portrait or landscape. Okay, so Heygen does offer a landscape because, as I mentioned, Heygen is commonly used for tutorials and how to guides and type of latest updates for your app or software, guys. So that's why they have 16 banana, guys, because usually people are watching on a bigger screen like laptop or monitors, guys. So okay, so it's not predominantly used for social media UGC or TikTok UGC or Facebook ads UGC, but you can still do it, guys. And I feel like with the latest update you can do it because it's crazy what it can do, guys. But before, let me just give you a short breakdown for Heygen in general, guys. Okay, so if you want to work with Heygen, guys, you can essentially start from scratch. Okay, and for example, you can select a portrait. Okay, if we want to do something like iPhone or mobile version. Okay, so here we have a pre-selected avatar, guys, and you can change it from here. And you can select all of these avatars. Okay, so nothing crazy here. Honestly, this is very standard for all the AI UGCs out there, like Creatify or Make UGC or Arcades, guys. Very simple, very similar. You kind of get to choose the avatar, the style, and stuff like that, guys. So here they even have like a cartoon versions, which actually is pretty unique. Okay, when it comes to Heygen, if we use something like Arcades or Creatify, it's mostly modeled on people's AI models, but here we have cartoonish and anime looking avatars, which is pretty cool, guys. So you can make a lot of YouTube shorts content, okay, presented by anime avatars. Okay, there's a huge niche for that, guys. So there's a lot of options that you can utilize Heygen for. But essentially that's how it is, guys. So here we select a avatar. So let me just choose this guy right here, okay. And then you're just gonna type in your prompt, okay, and or script, and essentially you're gonna render it and it's gonna be presented to you, guys. Let me just show you quickly how that looks and sounds. So we'll look at a simple script just to kind of see how it works and how it generates the AI UGCs, guys. So here I'm gonna click on generate, okay, and I mean obviously you can add some more stuff. You can do overlays, elements here. You can even add captions if you want, guys. We can do something standard just kind of see how it works, guys. Okay, let me add the colors. There you go, guys. Something like this, that is good to go. Okay, and I'll just click generate. Okay, guys. And then I'm gonna show you the latest update from Heygen and how it differs from this to with the V4 update from Heygen, guys. It's pretty awesome. Just hold on, you're gonna see it in a second, guys. So definitely stick around, it's worth a watch. And while it's doing its rendering, guys, I actually have other AI UGC models that I've generated before, guys, with Heygen, guys. So this is how it looks and sounds, for example. So I mean, it's pretty cool. Like the sync with the with lips and the script is actually pretty good, guys. Because the problem with UGC platforms like Creatify, okay, they have a bit of an issue with sync between the actual script and the sound and the lip movement. Okay, so if you look a bit careful, you can see that there is a bit of mismatch, okay? Where Heygen really does a good job in syncing all those together, okay, which is pretty awesome. And honestly, if you put this together in a sense that you're going to be putting some B-rolls and some basic edits, okay, this will be very hard to distinguish if it's actually AI or not, guys, okay? So as well, it comes down to editing skills. So you can easily use for Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or TikTok organic, guys. So just with a bit of B-roll editing, guys, you can make this like 99% realistic looking, guys, okay? So cool, guys. While the other one is rendering, guys, actually it's done, guys. So let's go ahead and jump into it and check it out right away. It's pretty cool, and the again sync is really good. That's what I like about the Heygen, and we have nice captions, and it even has those AI generated zoom ins and zoom outs, okay, which is pretty awesome, okay. So it kind of gives you that edit effect already out of the box, which is pretty cool, guys. So again, if you edit this, add some b-rolls, you can do some pretty awesome job with that, guys. So cool, let's jump into the Heygen's latest V4 update, guys, and let me blow your mind, guys. So for that, what we want to do, okay, so basically they're calling it their AI avatar 4. Is it 4 or 5? I guess it's 4. So the cool thing about it is that, so you can upload an image of any character, okay, and it will make it dynamic, and it's gonna be speaking or talking like using whatever script you're gonna provide, okay. And you can even add more expressive option, meaning that AI will regenerate over the image to make it more expressive and realistic looking. Well, I mean, if you're uploading like animes or Spider-Man, guys, you know, there's that much that can be done, guys. But the point is, you can essentially animate everything and give it a script, guys. So for example, let's start with something basic. Here we have a image samples of this static image with a girl looking in a mirror with a phone, guys. Okay, so here I'll do the same thing. I'll just type in the same script, meet your new AI avatar, okay, something like this. And there we go. So let's check the voice. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's cool. So here we have motion, meaning that we can even give a prompt for motions, the way the AI avatar moves. So we'll do something like this just to test it out. So we'll do something like, while she's speaking, she will come closer to mirror. Naturally, as she talks, she will look at the phone and mirror to engage with audience. Okay, that's good enough, guys. So I'm not gonna change anything because I just want to play around with it and test it. And let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna try something with we'll try a different character, guys. We'll pull something from Google and just we'll literally try to animate something from Google, guys. Okay, I have a couple ideas, guys, so hold on. And guys, while it's rendering, honestly, if you're thinking about Heygen, it's free to start. Okay, so they have a pretty generous free tier in a sense that, okay, you have 3 videos per month. Again, it's more than enough to test it out, okay? It's more than enough to test 3 videos to understand if you want to use the platform or you don't. So 2 videos, it's enough to test it out, guys, okay? And then you have something like Creator, okay? This is like the most, one of the most used ones. Because it gives you a lot of options on a budget, okay? So I feel like $29 a month is pretty affordable where we compare with something like Arcades, which is roughly 100 something dollars a month, okay? There's a big steep, there's a big difference, okay? So you have one custom avatar, meaning you can create one from scratch, okay? And you have one custom interactive avatar, meaning that you can have avatar interact with the environment, which is pretty cool, guys, okay? If you're doing like ecommerce UGC or pretty much any shoppable or product based video UGCs, guys. So it's pretty cool because AI avatar can interact with the physical product, which is pretty awesome, okay? Then you have language support if you want to go international and if your audience outside the US, guys, which is pretty cool, guys. And you have a bunch of more other options, guys. But my point is $29 a month, it's more than enough to actually kickstart and start making pretty awesome UGC content either for your e-commerce or if you want to do YouTube automations and put out some videos on a daily basis, maybe you want to do some automated videos on finance or on some global world news, okay, guys? So you can automate everything literally around the clock, guys. You can have a bunch of different AI agents create the AI content for you through Heygen's APIs, guys. Okay, guys. So yeah, another cool thing about Heygen, they have API, which is super flexible, and essentially you can have it in a way that ChatGPT creates a script for your Heygen avatar, sends it to Heygen's API, creates a Heygen avatar, and then that video is uploaded directly to either YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram, whatever it is, guys, okay? And it's fully automated, so you can literally pump out AI UGC content while you sleep, which is pretty awesome, guys. And if you want to learn about how to automate this with Heygen and how to create these workflows by using AI agents and automating your content, okay, through Heygen, guys, let me know down in the comments, and I will create this for you for free, guys, okay? Okay, so our AI avatar is ready to go. Let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm just super curious how that worked out. Let's check it out. Cool, let me just zoom in so you guys can see it as well. That is pretty cool, guys. Come on, from a static image, it's pretty cool. Like, so imagine this, guys. You can create an actual UGC account on TikTok, okay? And you can promote, you know, products and do Amazon affiliates. You can do e-commerce, guys. The possibilities are endless. I mean, honestly, with a bit of polishing, some B-rolls, some editing, guys, this will be very hard to say if it's AI or not, guys. And this is really the first version from Heygen with something like this, guys. So imagine 2 updates from now, guys. It's going to be absolutely mind-blowing, guys. So, and you can animate, you know, cartoon characters, you know, if you are into like anime niche, you can animate anything and give it a script, okay, which is pretty awesome. So now here, the other cool update with their AI Avatar 4 is that you can select a product image, okay? So now AI Avatar will interact with your product physically, guys, which is pretty mind-blowing as well, guys. So I'm just gonna select something like this, I think it's like a health product or something. Yeah, like a matcha latte, that's cool enough. And I will select a sample avatar, guys, okay? Let me see who we can select. Cool, so we'll select her, guys. So we'll see how that works. I'm actually super psyched to see this, guys. I've tried this with Creatify. It looks a bit AI-ish. I feel like it's still in the working stages with Creatify, but I'm super curious to see how Heygen is approaching that and how that looks, guys. So let's go ahead and check it out quickly, okay? Cool, guys, let's check it out. I think now we need to select the style. So we'll select something more natural like this, okay? And now let's create a script fast with ChatGPT, okay? Okay, so we'll do just something simple, just to test it out. Now we'll select the voice. Let's check it out. Select the right here, okay, and let's generate the video, guys. Super curious to see how that comes out. And again, guys, while it's processing, guys, just think about the cool things you can do with something like this, guys. So you have now AI UGC avatar, and it actually can hold a physical product in their hands. It's mind-blowing, guys. So imagine you can do Amazon affiliate, you can promote your own e-commerce products, you can even have like AI UGC agency, for example, okay, and create AI UGC avatars for small companies who don't want to deal with this or don't have a budget for a real UGC creator, guys. So you can actually make business out of it. So the possibilities are endless, or even use it for your own content creation, for your own Shopify store, your job shipping, guys, whatever it is, guys. You can have now any AI avatar, even create your own, guys, and have a product in AI avatar hands, which looks pretty damn realistic. Even if you like, especially if you do proper editing with CapCut, for example, add some B-rolls and polish it, guys, it's gonna be very hard to say if this is AI or no, guys. This is pretty awesome. Add some product videos from the supplier or create your own using AI, guys. So it's pretty awesome stuff, guys, okay? And let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this Heygen new update, guys. Is it a yes? Is it no, guys? Have you tried it out? I'm super curious to know. Awesome, guys, so that is done. Let's check it out quickly. Super curious.
Coffee.
Cool, it's pretty good, guys. Honestly, there's just a bit of a glitch. Like, it looks like the product is kind of a low-key floating on her right hand, okay? It just kind of it's just there on the thumb there. It's just a little bit unnatural, but I guess you can choose the angles and play around with it, because I just chose one of the first templates, guys. I think it gave us like 4 or 5 templates to choose from, guys. Okay, you can choose the one that looks more natural, maybe where she holds it with one hand, guys. And again, this would be a sort of a part of the video. You know, she talks about product, then you can do the B-roll, show just the product, okay? And you can even order, for example, the product yourself. You're doing job shipping, film it in your home, just do some B-rolls and actually show a real product. You know, film it at your home somewhere, guys, looking naturally, and just kind of stitch it all together using CapCut, guys, and yeah, UGC, guys. And you have like a full-blown Facebook ads or TikTok ads or even TikTok organic post ready to go for your product or your personal brand, guys, whatever you choose to do, guys, which is really awesome, okay? So again, guys, what you can do with something like Heygen and their latest update, guys. Okay, so number one, you can do Amazon affiliate. Okay, open a TikTok shop, for example. Now you can have AI avatars holding a Amazon product, okay, doing a review or feedback, and then sending traffic directly to Amazon and get your affiliate percentage. Okay, that's number one. Number two, if you are a Shopify merchant and you want to do ads or organic posts for your Shopify product. Again, now you can have AI UGC holding the product, talking about it, doing reviews, testimonials, all the stuff, guys, okay? And you don't have to be the face of the brand if you don't want to, okay? Number three, you can do the same thing for job shipping, guys. And number four, if you are not using the product with AI, guys, you can just generate and automate a bunch of content for your personal brand, or if you're doing YouTube automation, so Heygen generates videos for you, and then you have automation AI agent, and it uploads the videos to your YouTube channel or any other social media channel, guys, okay? And you are essentially printing content while you sleep, which is also a different business model, guys, okay? And there's a lot of different other use cases you can do. You can create AI UGC content for businesses, sell it as a service, guys, and the list goes on. And guys, if you want to learn how to create AI UGC content for maybe specific Shopify niche, or how to make UGC AI content for TikTok, how to make viral TikTok videos using AI UGC, how to make job shipping AI UGC content, guys, or how to maybe integrate and automate the AI UGC content for your social media channels, guys, let me know down in the comments, and I'm gonna drop a free course on how to do that step by step, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you next time as always.